Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If you're driving a Lexus IS and want to upgrade your infotainment system to something that feels modern, sleek, and fully connected, this Android 13 car radio stereo is exactly what you've been waiting for. Designed for Lexus IS 200, IS 250, IS 300, IS 220, and IS 350 models from 2005 to 2012, this 10-inch touchscreen system completely transforms your driving experience. And if you want to check it out yourself, the link for the product is down below. This unit brings a powerful Android 13 operating system right to your dashboard, giving you access to all your favorite apps, navigation, and music with lightning-fast performance. The large 10-inch HD touchscreen display makes everything from maps to playlists look crystal clear, while the intuitive interface is smooth, customizable, and easy to use. With built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can seamlessly connect your smartphone and access calls, messages, navigation, and music without taking your hands off the wheel. Whether you're using Google Maps or Waze or streaming through Spotify, this system keeps everything integrated and responsive. The Android 13 system also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to download apps directly from the Play Store or stream content online. The GPS navigation feature ensures you never lose your way, even without an internet connection. Plus, the included back camera provides clear visibility when reversing, giving you extra safety and confidence on the road. This stereo doesn't just offer smart features, it's built to perform. Bluetooth allows for easy hands-free calling and music streaming, while the high-quality audio processing delivers crisp, immersive sound throughout your vehicle. You can customize EQ settings, adjust bass and treble, and truly fine-tune your sound experience. Installation is straightforward since the unit is designed specifically for Lexus IS models. It fits perfectly into the existing dashboard setup without gaps or modifications. The package includes all the necessary harnesses and accessories, making it a complete upgrade kit for your car that if you've been thinking about giving your Lexus a smart upgrade, the Android 13 car radio stereo is a game changer. It combines the latest tech, elegant design, and user-friendly performance all in one powerful unit. Check out the link below to see more about this amazing system for your Lexus.